Hey, this is the one and only storyteller. This is video number 2. Somehow I touched the button on the phone and it quit taping. I swear I need to go and learn how to use that GoPro. I just keep putting it off and putting it off. I know it would be a lot better content for you all if I did. I just wish I had a camera person that could follow me around. It would make things a lot better too, but I don't, so just doing the best I can. So let's get started doing what I got done today. Here's the emergency brake mechanism. I cleaned it off, painted it, also cleaned off the rod and painted it. So we got it ready to go. I did find the location of it inside of the car. It goes right back yonder, and there's a hole in the floorboard right there that the cable goes down through. I did go ahead and get the bolts here painted, and you can see back in there I got those painted over there. I did also get the heater controller put in. I got it cleaned up, took it apart, cleaned it up the best I could. Screen's got a little bit of haze to it, not a lot. I think it'll be alright. If not, I'll have to take it apart completely. Take a die grinder, a Dremel, cut the little tabs. If I can get in there with a rag and clean it really good, which I might do anyway. It's just sitting there at the moment, so it's not bolted down. So, but yeah, we got that cleaned up, greased up. It's ready to go. So, let's tell you something else we did today. We cleaned up the steering housing today, or column housing, painted it. The ignition switch was kind of stiff, so I took some cleaner and squirted it down in it from the inside and through the key side, and then it got to sticking, and then it locked up. It took about 15 minutes or so to get it unlocked. And when I did, I took the cylinder out, cleaned all down inside of here, cleaned the cylinder itself, cleaned from the inside down, put it all back together, lithium greased it, and it works fine now. Yeah, I hope so one day. I really hope. But yeah, we got that done today. So that's another piece of the puzzle that is completed and done. I got some other things here today. Painted these, like I said just a minute ago. Painted these down here. Painted that, as you can tell. Also, fixed the glove box. See the little cable right there? That's the one I did have to cut down. It was too long. It was a spare one from the '79 Ford. And I just cut it down. Same thing, same procedure, same attachment. I looked on the Mustang forums, and that's how it's supposed to go. So we're good, and it works fine. Saved 15 bucks, and the glove box latch is good. As you can tell, like always, the lines are good. So yeah, we got everything in there today. We're looking good. It's been a hot one again. It's been 100 degrees, and I am wore out to a frazzle. So, kind of gonna give you a rundown here. This is the dash right here. And kind of give you an idea, if I can, of what this is going to look like once it's bolted up there, or screwed up there. If I can get it to stay up there. But that's what it's going to look like, folks. And I hate that sun. I might start doing my videos in the morning. Of course, I don't have anything done in the morning, but as you can tell, that's what it's going to look like. Kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to be and how it's going to be. So yeah, I'm real pleased. We got a lot done today. And now I have to put all the stuff up, as always. Put the tarp back on the car. And we'll be done for the evening. I have an interview at 7 tonight. We'll see how that goes. See if that pans out or not. I did take the lifted the sides up on the truck today. I meant to work on it some today, but I got into something else and couldn't. But that kind of gives you an idea. I know it says wrong video, wrong vehicle, but kind of gives you an idea of how it turned out, folks. You can't get it much better than that. Like I said, that's $100 clear. I did find the glove box latch right over there, and I'll be putting it in tomorrow, along with putting in the door seals here, in and out, the glass, the regulator, the locks, anything that pertains with the driver's and passenger door. It will be done. I'm going to try and get enough time to put the rear glass back in, and then I'll have to get the glass people to come out and put the front glass in, because I don't want to try it. I don't want to take a chance on breaking it. So yeah, and then we can move that puppy right on out that door right there and back out into society. So I hope it works well in society. I hope we don't have any problems in society. My 2 cents worth. But I'm gonna get off here, and we're gonna get in here and eat a bite. Got a little pork chops, a little cornbread, a little brown beans, corn on the cob. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing this afternoon, and we'll catch y'all tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for staying. If you've stayed this long, I hope things get better for us all in the future. And subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. If you leave a comment, just please leave a positive comment last. Do not leave another person in a negative mood. And we'll be seeing y'all.